Hey guys, what's up? Well, it's that time of year again. School's already getting back in session, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. It is a 3D pencil, and it's triangular, and what's really cool about it is that it can be a pointer. No, you cannot write with this because it's not a real pencil, obviously. But yeah, it can be a pointer. You can point stuff out with it, and you can also put it on your finger, so you have a pencil claw. How cool is that? And I know you guys want to learn how to fold this, and I'm going to show you how to fold it right now. Ready, set, here goes. And here I want to show you this other model I just designed recently. This is an origami desk lamp. And this is the light part that shines, and it's got a nice base here, and it's actually flexible. You can move the neck around, see, and it's flexible. See, like that. And I'm sure you guys want me to make a tutorial of this, and I will soon, so stay tuned. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6" square of kami. You could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square, but then you're not going to have the contrast on it, unless of course you color one side. It's best to use paper that's colored on one side and white on the other. So we're going to begin white side up, and we're going to fold this up how much? Well, however much you fold this up, that's going to be how tall you want the lead of the pencil to be. So if you want it to be longer, fold it up more. But if you want it to be really small, fold it up less. I'm going to go just about like this. I'm actually folding it up a little bit more than I did with this model, so it's easier to see on camera. Okay, now rotate. And we're going to fold this up, and this is also to taste. I don't have a reference, but about like this is good if you're using 6", just about like this. Okay, turn over and fold in half. Oh, by the way, I have a couple other pencils right here in the card. Unfold. And now rotate like this, so this white strip is right here on the bottom, on the other side. And we're going to make an airplane fold. So fold the edge to the crease. And try and keep the layers together too, so they don't kind of slide like that and get out of place. So keep them together as much as possible. And crease sharply. And repeat on this side. So keep the layers together so they don't slide. And fold like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the edges in to the center once again. And make sure you hold the layers down so they don't slide. And here we go. Same here. Okay. And we're actually almost done. Can you believe that? This is a really simple model, actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it 3D. So this is how we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just overlap one segment. It doesn't really matter which one. But just overlap one like this. Just like that, that's all. And now to lock this, whatever flap that's sticking out like this, just fold it over the edge, like that. Depending on what side you overlap, like this flap that's sticking out from the edge, maybe on this side or the other side. It doesn't matter. But anyway, fold it over. Okay? And then now this one, we're going to fold it inside. We're not going to really... You could just fold it over the edge like this and there's your lock, but it's going to look kind of ugly because there's going to be a flap sticking up right there. So I'm going to fold it inside the same way and aligning the fold with the edge. Here, I'll zoom in. Like this. You can actually really lock this however you want, because this is going to go inside, so it doesn't really matter how you do it. So, now, to lock it even better, I'm going to take this interior flap, and I'm going to fold it over really to taste. It doesn't matter how you do it, just like that. I'm just locking this as much as possible. You can place it on the desk and just give it a nice strong crease. There. Alright, and now lastly, just fold this bulky flap inside in between the two corners. I don't really think you need to hold the layers down for this. Alright. And it's not going to be that sharp because the paper's so thick. But anyway, just get something like this. And just kind of shape it to taste. Just put your finger inside to shape it. And once you did that, there it is. Origami 3D pencil. Easy as that. So you can use it as a pointer tool. Like you can point out the creases on the paper or that edge. And of course you can make a bunch of them and you can put them on your fingers and you'll have claws like this. Well, I didn't make a bunch of them yet, but if you ever do, let me know how it goes. And yeah, by the way, make demos of this. I like to see it. And put it in the comments below so I can click on it and check it out. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this pencil and find it pretty cool. And hope your school year is going well. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.